What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to Kelly Mountain Woodworks. In this video we're going to be building an epoxy serving tray. You may remember a while back I did a video on some Lazy Susans. This was actually one of the Lazy Susans that didn't work out. I actually made 3, and this one didn't come out perfectly round like the other ones did, so I had to start over. So basically we're just going to cut it in half in the bandsaw, and then we cut some straight edges on the table saw, and then we just put them in the form kind of randomly, and we're just going to fill the rest up with epoxy. Now this epoxy that we're doing in this serving tray is going to be kind of deep. It's going to be a larger epoxy pour, and this is not deep pour epoxy. And when you're using epoxy that is not made for deep pours like this, you want to do it in shallow layers, or you will have what's called an exothermic reaction, because epoxy will actually create its own heat, and if you let it get too hot it will actually crack and it will cure way too fast. So we're going to do 2 separate pours on this about an hour apart. We're going to let the first pour get nice and tacky, and then we'll do the second pour on top of that, and then our 2 pours will be done once it's fully cured. Then we'll be ready to take the form off and plane it down and go from there.